Namaste children, hope you are ready with your best drawing of Gond art with outline drawing. Today I show you how to color the Gond art painting. You can utilize the brush paints or poster color or cake color, whichever color medium is suitable for you, you can utilize. See, if I have done, you can see I have done the lines work. If you do the lines work first, then you can do just water background. Transparent, then also is okay. This is also one technique you can utilize, right? Suppose you are using a thick color as a poster color. In the Gond art you have seen each part they do a different color. After doing the different color, they use a different textures on it. So each part textures are again continue with the light color, with the dark color, both the way fine. If you want to do the texture first, you can give watery wash, no problem. If you want to do the thick coloring, definitely thick coloring will look very nice. So you try your best. See, I have given thick color. Let it be dry for a while. After drying, you will do the textures on it. Part change, color change. In Gond art, bird, peacock, you have seen. It is not the bird or animal color. You can utilize whichever color you like. So you have a freedom. Just paint whichever way you want. Here I have given the poster color effect. So one technique with the watercolor, one with the poster color, and one you have a brush paints. So with the brush paints colors like sandy brown color if I use. I use the brown color. Van Dyke brown color. Let it be dry for a while. After drying, you can utilize the white color or light color, very thin brush. And you can do the textures on it. Standing line, or slipping line. The goand art is really fun loving to do with the colors, with the textures and technique. You can do the 3 different techniques also, mix match also, no problem. Nowadays available the white pens also available, so you can utilize that white pen also on it, or with the black sketch pen also you can do the some textures. Sleeping line, standing line, or doodling design on it and give a beautiful textures on it. Hope you understood. I have colored half doesn't mean that you have to do half painting. Please concentrate. You have to finish everything. I have just shown you the few parts how to color. So please understand, use your techniques, use your color combinations and make it beautiful way. Have a nice day. Have a great day.